I tested this UT bots alert trading strategy for an entire month and these are the results. I used the best settings for the UT bots alert possible and scalp trades on the 5-minute chart. Make sure you watch the whole video so you see all of the trades that I've taken, the special settings required, and later on I'll show you the results. But let's not waste any more of your time and get straight into the strategy. And if you have any indicators or strategies that you would like me to test out, please leave it down in the comments. Let's get into it. Okay, so we are on TradingView.com and the first thing we're going to do is right click and go down to settings. Once you're on the chart settings right here, we're going to remove body, borders and wick. For the first indicator we're going to add is sessions on chart, and it just allows us to visually see exactly when we need to be taking trades. Add this one to your chart and then all you have to do is untick London, untick Tokyo and untick Sydney. For our second indicator on this strategy, head up to indicators again and type in Linear Regression Candles. Add this one to your chart and it should look something like this. Now open up the settings for this indicator and change the signal smoothing to 7. The linear regression length should already be set to 11 and leave both of these ticked. And finally, for the last indicator that this whole strategy is built around, head up to indicators for the final time and type in UT bot alerts. In my opinion, this is the best buy sell indicator on TradingView.com, and with these settings that I'm going to share with you now, we can make huge profits and very consistent wins. Now the best settings for the UT bots alert indicator, change the key value to 2 and the ATR period to 1, and make sure the signals for Heikin-Ashi candles is turned off. And there we go. Now that the indicators are all sorted out, let's get into how we're going to take a trade. For this UT bot alert strategy to work, there is a couple rules that we need to stick to. Rule 1 for this strategy is we will only be taking trades during the New York session. Do not take trades outside of this session. As we're testing this on the 5-minute Nasdaq, it is heavily dependent on the New York market. Step 2 for this strategy is to wait for the UT bot alert signal to paint for a buy or a sell. Now each day we will only be taking the first 3 UT bot alerts indicators. So as soon as the New York session starts, we will be taking the first 3 trades that the UT bot alerts gives us. Rule 3 for this strategy is we have to make sure that the candle is red for a sell and green for a buy, and for a sell the price has to be closed below the linear regression line, which is this white line right here. Enter at the close of the candle. For our stop loss, we will be putting it above the recent swing high right here. Now for exiting a trade, we want to see very clearly that price has closed back above the linear regression line, and for this exact trade it is on this candle right here. And this green candle down here is exactly where we would exit our trade. It's very important that we only enter on the close of candles and we only exit on the close of candles. So the first trade of the day gave us a 4.89% risk to reward ratio. The second trade of the day, which is this buy down here, actually paints on the exact point that we would be exiting our sell. I've moved this take profit line 1 over just so we can see the entry, but we would enter on the close of this buy candle right here, put our stop loss down below the swing low, and our take profit is right where the red candle closes back below the linear regression line. And finally we have our sell trade right here. And there we go, we have finished the New York session with our 3 trades for the day. As you can see right here, I did take trades for the entire month. I will show you a couple flashes of a couple more days right here so you can see. Here was a great trading day for the results. This was on the 17th of October, and the first trade that we took was an 8.29, which is absolutely amazing. And the second trade was just over 2 risk to reward, and then the final trade was for a 3.23. Just going to the day before on the 16th, we had 1 stop loss, and then our second trade was for 9.92 risk to reward ratio, almost a 10 risk to reward, which is absolute bananas. And then we had a very small take profit of 0.29. Now remember, the take profits are technically trailing stops, and a very important rule to use is that we only exit the trade when we are in profit. If price crosses the linear regression line but it is inside the stop loss zone, then we let the trade ride out and hit our stop loss. We only manually exit the trade when it is in profit. Here's another day. You can see we had 2.1 risk to reward, and then we had 2 stop losses in a row. The day before we had 3 stop losses in a row, and the day before that we had 1 stop loss and then a 6.65 risk to reward. and then a 2.68 risk to reward. Very profitable day. So it's now time to show you the trading results that I took for an entire month on the 5-minute chart. I just want to let you know about the opportunity for me to personally mentor you. So if you're interested in joining my team for free, then please click the first link down in the comments. Thank you very much for joining. And here are the final results for an entire month using UT bot alerts and the linear regression candles. You can see we started with $100 on the account, and with just over a 66% win rate, we made 123% profit on the account, taking us all the way up to $223. We had 2 times more wins than losses, with 44 wins and 22 losses, and our best trade for the whole month was a 10.59 risk to reward ratio. That is absolutely impressive, and any strategy that can make trades like that is definitely a winner in my books. But overall, this UT bots alert trading strategy is absolutely one of my favourites. One thing I did notice while testing it for an entire month was that there was a big variation with the trailing stops, and trades either seem to have massive risk to reward ratios or have very small risk to rewards. But at the end of the day, profit is still profit, and as long as there is a healthy mix of both, then it isn't really a problem at all. But I hope you enjoyed this strategy. Please leave a like and subscribe. Definitely click the link in the comments to join my team. And if you want to see more strategies like this, then click one of these 2 videos right here.